Welcome to Cooking with Chad Beta. Cooking with me, Chad Beta. Tacos, feta cheese, hamburger meat, Mexican style blend cheese, cilantro lime sour cream, and regular sour cream. We gonna make some tacos. Yeah, it's Taco Tuesday on a Friday, just like the Lego movie. Pan. Alright, so you get the meat right here. And you plop it in there. Look at that. Beautiful. Gordon Ramsay would say, that's raw. Alright? What? He would. He would. Have you not seen that? Raw! No? Season to mix, alright? It's the El Paso, alright? It's good. It's good shit. We're gonna season this bitch. Alright, we're brining the meat first. Where the hell's our shit at? Oh, there it is. Nope. Oh, Jesus. Smells nice. Right. Look at that. Look at that. Or you just want a big block of meat.
Have you never cooked tacos?
I've cooked tacos. I don't know what you prefer, man.
Tacos be a big blob of meat.
Why not? Well, it's already brown. Damn, did we buy brown meat? Alright, yeah. We figured out. We can measure with our eyeballs. Alright, it's good. It's good stuff.
I can tell you that this thing's no good anymore here.
Oh yeah, I know it ain't.
Well, I take it back January 18, 2023.
Well, that's Best Buy, but that's probably, if it ain't been opened already and shit.
So the other one's probably good then. Because the other one isn't.
Yeah.
So
Alright, we're gonna skip this shit. And now, a word from our sponsors.
Beta cologne, because being a Chad never smelled so good. Introducing the Bedroom Collection by Beta Cologne. Kiss me, sweeter. Love me. Love me more. Under the blankets. Beta tie me.
And swam! There you go. Got brown meat. Now it's recording. Now it's straining the shit out of it. That's how you do it. This is great. Alright. Now we season it, right? Yes. Season. Second time. Alright. season this bitch up. If I can open this packet of seasoning. Shit. Where are them scissors? So where are them scissors? Perfect. Huh? That's coming in the thing. Alright. Wait, whoa. It doesn't say to put sauce in there?
It's part of the seasoning.
It is? That's what it says?
Stir water and seasoning mix. And what is this for?
Probably after you make your tacos, put some sauce on it. Unless you just want to add the sauce to the meat, I mean, it's up to you. Dude, it's already a little warmer. Look at that. That's weird that it's like cool how it works. Wham!
Shazam. Wazam.
Look at that. Fucking runny like fucking dookie. Look at that shit. Oh, literally.
What?
Fucking shit. God dang it. Then, take this instead. You get this. You peel it off. You peel it. Oh, jeez. Finger straight. Finger. Oh, shit! Got me! It's good! It's good! It's all good. It's all good. It's getting on the taco.
That's what your booty hole gonna do later.
Hey. Oh shit, that's pretty good. All right. Enough fooling around. Oh gee. Whoa. Alright. You take this sour cream with cilantro lime. Shake that bitch up. And you go, oh shit, did I just redo what I just did? Ah, there we go. And then squirt it. Look at that. Mexican cheese. Great. Wham! Wham! Look at that. And for some reason I'm putting this crap on it. Wham! Shaking you. Wrap that fat thing up right there. You go look at me. And now a word from our sponsor.
You ever feel like you don't have enough energy for anything? Well, don't worry, you have Beta Juice. Beta Juice is there for you, and you can always count on Beta Juice to keep you hydrated no matter what, so you can get that up and go feeling all the time. Beta Juice. Also try our Beta Fuel. It's just moonshine in a jar.
There you go. Sitting right here with me. Cooking with Chad Beta. That's what the place look like. Not with a spoon though, but you know what I mean. Alright.